This is my weekly market recap of every trades I went through this week. What were the lessons? What were the improvements? What could we take from this week to the next week? And everything that we did throughout this week and how can we improve? Because this is right here, right? Long term rather than short term, right? Let's go over it. Monday had a setup. The setup offered me less than 2 hours, so I didn't take it, right? See, my initial take profit, which is down right here, offered me less than 2 hours. Even the extended take profit did not offer me a 2 hours, so I didn't take it as well, right? But let's go over it. What was the analysis? What was the narrative to this leading to this trade right over here? And this week was a major. There was a FOMC on Tuesday, no, on Wednesday. So Tuesday should not be a trading day, but I'm gonna talk about Tuesday as well because I took a loss, right? And I made a mistake. But our narrative to the trade was range high got soup, right? Narrative number one. Weekly going from weekly IRL to euro. So from Monday all the way till Friday, Monday all the way till Thursday, I'm looking for shorts because Friday could be potentially a Friday reversal / retracement, right? So you can see we had a premium. We're in the premium region. You can see, discount premium. We're in premium right over here. So looking for shorts here, right? That was not the right one, by the way. So the right one was this case, and that Monday case this would be the right one. Go for. Oh my god, come on, man. On Monday, you can see premium discount. That was another range, and we had all the weekly advice. Actually, let me go to the 4-hour time frame because it'll tell me better because I'm kind of confused in the 5-minute time frame. We had our 4-hour key level. We had SMT, by the way, so that was the case there. SMT market sold the range high. We're in the premium region. That was simple as that, right? So market on the 5-minute time frame there during that Pacific time, we had a SMT. We could see SMT was definitely false. Market went back up, support the range SMT, and if you would have holded that trade, it'd been stop loss. That's what I'm talking about. It was a lower probability trade, so I didn't take it, right? Because you offered me this at 2RR. My initial take profit right here, offered me this at 2 hours, so I didn't take it, right? I already said. And you can see SMT during that Pacific time, there was SMT. This candle did purge out liquidity, so it would be considered as a validated or model number one. Market closed below, tapped it, went all the way here to hitting our TP, right? But if you would have holded it and done unrealistic take profit, like hold down here, you would have had a loss because you know probabilities and knowing having realistic take profit, right? This is right here with realistic take profit to go for. You see ATP, simple as that, but I didn't take it because ultimately to our Tuesday. I would say, and other thing I was looking for a New York continuation. You could definitely see New York did continue to move to the downside. This was where the New York continues. So even if it goes below the 5 a.m. low, it's going to consider that's considered a continuation. So market did continue it. Last session did make the high of the day, so there's another narrative to it, right? Tuesday was another trading session. You can see I did take a setup here. I did have a loss, but eventually this is where the improvement comes from, right? I learned that I shouldn't be trading before the day of the high major news, which is FOMC, NFP, CPI, and PPI, right? The day before the first major news, I shouldn't be trading, right? Which was this day was FOMC. I shouldn't be trading it, so I had a loss here. Eventually found out quickly that my boss was correct. I was looking for shows here. My boss was overall correct, right? My boss was still validated, but just that I had a shouldn't be trading this day because the day is a lower probability, right? The day, so it makes the setup even worse, right? So worse price action, right? The lower probability day makes the price action worse, right? You can see how price action was kind of off. Now let's go to the next day, which was on Wednesday. Wednesday we could be trading before the news because Wednesday is fine. Wednesday trading before the news is always fine, right? Because here over here on Wednesday, we're looking for a New York continuation. And we go to the 4-hour time frame. Actually, 1 hour could be better. You see, Leonard just made the high of the day. I was looking for a narrative to continue to move. So that's more narrative number one. Market super CRT high. So next door on the CRT low. Market super range high. The next door on the CRT low. The range low. And on the daily time frame, market to super the range CRT high. So looking CRT low to get soup. Go to the CRT low. That's why I had an extended take profit for a 4.4 RR. But I didn't take it. I will tell you guys all right. And what else we had here? We had, I think that was we were selling in the premium region. You could see premium discount, and our entry was where? Right on the premium region, right? So premium discount, so our entry was our premium, which is great. It's another narrative. And now let's go talk into why I didn't take the trade. The solely main reason I didn't take the trade was, you can see this right over here, this low right over here is my main take profit, right? So if the main take profit is not for me a 2RR, it's considered a lower probability. This take profit is considered as a bonus reward, bonus reward, bonus reward, right? But this should always offer me a 2RR, so I didn't take it. As simple as that, right? You can see market hit TP, I didn't take it because simply the main take profit not offer me a 2RR. You can see the entry right over there. That just didn't take it because it offered me the 2RR. And this take profit would have been like, well, is it unrealistic take profit because it's so far away? Because you were, in this case, you were talking about, well, shouldn't be going below this because, wouldn't that be considered unrealistic? In this case, would have not been unrealistic because it's news day, right? So big major news gonna happen, big moves gonna happen to the downside or upside. And if you go to the higher time frame, like I said, weekly, going from weekly arrow to arrow, so looking for bearishness until Friday, right? Eventually at Friday, I'm looking for a reversal sell retracement. See if this is a big major news day, and we're going with the higher time frame. So the higher time frame is bearish. So if we're going the higher time frame, this is likely to go in our favor instead of against us, right? If you have the right bias. So Thursday comes around. Thursday I didn't take no trades. It did not for me. There was not enough reason for me to take a look. There was not enough reason for me to take a trade. There was not enough narrative for me to look for a trade. All we had was a weekly, class expansion week profile one. You can see market did expand on Tuesday, made the high of the week, and on Wednesday when I found out what type of classic. On Wednesday is when I found out what type of weekly profile we're looking for, because market did a huge move, right? So that's the actual expansion, so it could tell us what type of market will it be for the week. So on the weekly time on the weekly profile, looking for a weekly class expansion week. So looking for Thursday to continue to the downside. I was looking for Friday to, do a little retracement. If it doesn't move the goal, do a little retracement to end off the weekly cap range, right? So our boss for Thursday was not that much, which is like IRL to ERL for our time frame, and weekly class expansion week one, which is the two that I have the high of the week. Nothing much, but market never actually gave us a setup here. So looking for a New York continuation, London high of the day, so another narrative as well. You can see our New York continuation never offered us here. Market never set that range high. Market just attempted to go just down lower here without what do you call it? Without giving a setup. So okay, let me disregard that as my day. Done for the day, right? Friday, I was looking for a Friday retracement slash to end of the week slash TGIF. So I was looking for a reversal slash retracement on Friday. So for our Friday narrative, we had this daily ERL to IRL, daily CRT to the upside. We have the 50% mark as well. Should be one of the take profit. All right. What else do we had? We had a Friday slash retracement. That's our narrative. So on the 4-hour time frame, what more of a narrative that we had? We had a 4-hour range low, range high, market super range low. We want to buy when the market super the range low. We want to sell when the market super the range high, right? So in our narrative, I was looking for a New York continuation because London made a low today, so no normal protection profile and New York continuation because I'm bullish in this case, right? Go to the hourly time frame. What else do we had here in the hourly time frame? You can see market looking for a little retracement in the hourly time frame, not the 4-hour, because sometimes you will retrace to the 4-hour, sometimes it will not, right? But on the hourly time frame, it's looking for hourly retracement, which is like going to be higher chance of it retracing too. It's at the 4-hour. Had an hourly 4-hourly kilo, which is central liquidity, right? And what else do I had here? Nothing much. That's it. And it goes to the 5-minute time frame. I know I did have something else, right? Oh, by the way, in all of these narrative, all of them had a market profiling. I just forgot to talk about it, right? So market open, accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal. Type another key of another reversal, retracement, expansion, right? And other narrative to this trade, we had a open high low close concept. We bought below the open price which should be a good way to trade, right? And my take profit, my initial take profit, which was right over here, offered me a 2 RR and above. So I took the trade. And this right over here, this to me was considered a higher probability setup. Let's see, it was a higher probability without wasting any time, right? So my initial take profit offered me 2 RR, so I'm on the other take profit, which is a range high. Cause this was realistic. It was near, right? But another other trade I had, other setup I had, which was right over here, which I completely forgot about, right? So on Friday, I forgot to set up my take profit, which is on the 50% of the CRT. Got set up the take profit. I just went to the end of the week, right? I just went to the end of the week. I was kind of foggy in that day as well, but yeah, you can see we could have extended the take profit to this and got I guess a 1.4 hours. Next time, I'm gonna keep in mind I should be marking out the 50% mark of the CRT as well. That specific day, I forgot it because I was kind of foggy because I woke up a little late, right? You can see right over here, our last take profit should have been here because this was realistic, right? T. This is realistic take profit, not too far away from each other. It's not unrealistic. These are realistic realistic take profits. You see, because CRT gives us the most realistic take profit out there, right? You see, realistic take profit, and I only hold it till here. I did not know about this, but we could improve on it, right? So this is my trade recap. Now let's go over the improvements we can have. So improvement number one we could have is do not trade before a high impact news. The first high impact news, which is either FOMC, NFP, CPI, PPI, right? All the improvement is wake up early, wake up at 6 to 7 a.m. Another improvement is to what was other improvement? To have emotional control, right? In this case, we had no emotional disruption this whole week. Our emotions were fine. Everything was good, right? It's just that, yeah, those are the only two main thing we could go, but we could definitely improve more on being consistent, disciplined, waking up earlier, naturally before the high major news, which was on Tuesday. So on Tuesday we had a loss, right, because we did that mistake, right? But overall in the week we ended up on a 2.5% gain. If I would have held to here, we would have ended up on a 3.5% gain instead of 2.5, right? It's all cool. We learned from it. And one other thing we could definitely improve on is marking out the 50% mark and using that as our take profit as well, right? Thank you for watching. This is my weekly market recap of every trade I took. Want to see the execution on the trade? This is the only trade I actually took. This one I didn't take it because lower probability setup. I take it. This one lower probability setup. I didn't take it. This one there was a mistake I made it. So I shouldn't be trading this day because before the day before the high major news, you can see Wednesday was a NFPS FOMC. So I want to take one trade. If you want to see the execution is in my Discord. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, join the Discord if you want to. I highly suggest you do. But yeah, peace out.